And you actually used to be based in Houston, so tell us, how vital is this part of the country to the global energy industry?
It's tough to overstate how important it is. The Houston Ship Channel is the largest petrochemical and refining complex in the world. Corpus Christi in South Texas has become the major hub for U.S. oil exports, which are now going everywhere in the world. The Eagle Ford, this South Texas oil shale patch that has recently sprung up in the last 5 years, is right there. All this stuff is right along the path where Harvey is just inundating with rain and massive floods. And so there's a really large chunk of the world's energy infrastructure that right now is either out of commission or under a lot of stress.
Dan, I mean, there's a lot we don't know, right, that we're still watching and waiting, but where do we stand when it comes to oil and gas infrastructure at the moment?
Well, right now we have about a quarter of the oil and gas production in the Gulf of Mexico has been shut in. Refineries in Corpus Christi and Houston that total about a little bit more than 10% of the total refining capacity in America, more than 2 million barrels a day, are offline. So that's affecting gasoline and diesel production. And then again, out in the Eagle Ford, about 500,000 barrels a day of oil production and 3 billion cubic feet a day of gas production. That's almost half the daily output there normally, has been shut in. And so you're having lots of production put offline, but even more demand put offline with these refineries going down. So that's why you're seeing gasoline prices spike and U.S. oil kind of sink a little bit, because there's less refineries to buy the oil and less refineries to produce the gasoline that needs to go into the cars.
Dan, you were in Houston for a while reporting from there to us. Now, what are they saying about the weather? How long is it expected to last? Because there are some reports that it could actually take another turn for the worse.
Yeah, Rich, it's horrifying. I look back at my friends' pictures from over the weekend, and everybody's streets are flooded. Water's coming to people's houses already. There are no more highways in Houston. They're all just rivers at this point. And it's been nice seeing, people are out there helping their friends and neighbors. But we have at least a couple more days of rain that are going to be coming. And as you referred to just now, it's possible this storm goes back out over the Gulf and finds some more warm, moist air to re-energize it and hit again. So it's pretty scary looking forward right now.